Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. If you want to add a YouTube video to CapCut, but you're not sure how to do it exactly, you're in the right place. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. So, at the very beginning, open the YouTube app and sign into your profile if you haven't already. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the profile icon. Once you do that, find the Your Videos section and tap on it. This will open a page with your videos. Now select the video you want, then tap on the three dots. This will open a menu with options. In the menu, tap on Save to Device. This will start downloading the video, and once it's finished, it will be saved on your phone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Now let's import that video into CapCut. Open the CapCut app. Then, in the bottom left corner of the screen, tap on the Edit option. After that, tap on New Video. In this section, find and select the video you saved from YouTube, and then tap the Add button. And that's it. Now you have your YouTube video in CapCut. You can start editing it, adding audio, text, and more. Very quick and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.